Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Last class we have seen in exercise 1 writing numbers and then writing number names and then showing the numbers on abacus and then place values, that is thousand place we have seen. So in this class we are going to see face value and the place value. Already I told you face value of the number is the number itself. Face value of the number is the number itself. Place value means place value of the number is the position at which it is placed. Place value of the number is the number at which it is placed, the position at which it is placed. So next, fill in in exercise 2 we are going to see fill in the place value. So we are going to fill the place value of the numbers. So face value means I told you the number itself. Place value means the number, the position at which it is placed. So what is the position of the number 6? 6 is ones. So what we will write here? 6 ones we can write, otherwise we can write 6. Next, what is the place value of 2? You can write 2 tens or 20. 2 tens or 20 you can write. Then place value of 4 is, you can write 4 hundreds or 400. Then place value of 5 is 5000, 5000s or 5000. Number also you can write, otherwise 5000s number name also you can write. Then what is the place value of 4? Place value of 4 is ones. Then place value of 0 is tens. Next place value of 6 is hundreds. Next place value of 3 is thousands. So what is the place value of 4? Ones I told you. So what you have to write? Ones. 4 ones equal to 4. Then place value of 0 is tens. So you write 0. Next place value of 6 is hundreds. So you can write 600. Next place value of 3 is thousands. So you write 3000. So how will you write the place value of the number? If you know the place values, then you can write the numbers. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. According to their place values, you have to write the answers, place values. Then we are going to write the numerals. We are going to write the numerals. Here they have given the place values. We are going to write the numerals for the numbers. Okay. So what is they have given the place value of 2 is 2 they have given. So you write 2 ones equal to 2. Then here in place value of tens they have given 0. So you write 0. Next in hundreds they have given 400. So what you have to write? In hundreds place 4 you have to write. Then in thousands place they have given 7000. So what you have to write? 7. So 7402. In ones place 2, then tens place 0, then hundreds place 4, then thousands place 7. Next one, here they are given in ones place 0. So what you have to write here? 0. Next tens place also 0 they are given. So you write 0. Next hundreds place 0. So you write 0. Next thousands place they are given 3000. So what you have to write? 3. 3000 is the answer. So in ones place also 0, tens place also 0, hundreds place also 0, but in thousands place they have given 3000. So you write 3 in the thousands place. Next one, write the place and the place value of the digit. Place means at which it is placed. I told you already. So what is the place and the place value? So listen, we are going to find out the place and the place value for the number, underline number 6. So what is the place value of 7? Place value of 7 is ones. Next place value of 9, tens. Next place value of 4 is hundreds. Next place value of 6 is thousands. So what is the place value of 6? Thousands. Place is thousands. Next, place value means you have to write 6,000. Place means thousands place, then place value means 6,000. Next, place value of 0 and then place value of 0 they are asking. So listen, ones, tens, hundreds. What's the place value of 0? Which place it's placed? Hundreds place. Which place? Hundreds. So you write hundreds. Next, what's the place value of 0? Place value of 0 is 0 only. So you don't write 100 here. Okay. Place value of 0 is 100. Place only hundreds. Place value means what is the value of this number is 0. Next, what is the number here they have given? 5010. They are asking the place value of 0. So what is the place of 0? In which place it is there? Ones place. What is this? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So they are asking for this 0. So at which it is placed? Ones place. So you write ones. Next, what is the place? It's ones. What is the place value? Place value means 0. So face value means the number itself. Place value means that which it is placed, the position of the number. So like that we have to write. Place means at which it is placed. The place value means the value of the number. Place means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands you have to write. See, next one we are going to write the expanded form of the number. We are going to write the expanded form. If you know the place value of the number, you can write the expanded form easily. Already I told you, place value of the number is the position at which it is placed. So we are going in exercise 3, we are going to write the expanded form of the numbers. Okay, in figures they are given. So you are going to write the expanded form of the number. See, listen, 8173. What is the place value of 3? Ones. What is the place value of 7? Tens. What is the place value of 1? Hundreds. What is the place value of 8? Thousands. So what is the place value of 3? Ones. 3 ones equal to 3. Next, what is the place value of 7? Place value of 7 is 7 tens. So 7 tens equal to 7 tens you can write or 70. Next, place value of 1 equal to 100 or 100. Next, place value of 8 is 1000. What is the place value of 8? 1000. So what you have to write? 8000. So 8173. How will you write? So place value of the number if you know, you can write it easily. So what is the place value of 8,000? So 8,000. Place value of 100. So 100. Place value of 7 tens. So 70. Place value of 3 is ones. So 3 ones equal to 3. Next one, 4682. What's the place value of 2 ones? What's the place value of 8 tens? So next place value of 6 is hundreds. Next place value of 4 thousands. So first you write what's the place value of 2? I told you 2 ones. So 2 ones equal to 2. Next place value of 8. Place value of 8 is tens. So 8 tens equal to 80. 8 tens equal to 80. Next place value of 6 hundreds. So 600. So you write 600. Next place value of 4 is 1000. So you write 4000. So 4682. So what's the place value of 4? 4 means 1000. So you write 4000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 2. So this is the expanded form of the number. Next, 9590. Here 9590. So what is the place value of 0? Ones. So ones means 0 ones equal to 0. Next what's the place value of 9 tens? What's the place value of 9 tens? So 9 tens equal to 90. Next, place value of 5 is hundreds. So you can write 500. Next, place value of 9 is thousands. So what you have to write? 9,000. So you can write this number like this also. So what's the place value of 9,000? 9,000. So you can write number names also. You can write 9,000 plus 500 plus 9 tens plus 0 ones. Like this also you can write. You can write this number in expanded form. This method also you can write. This method also you can write. 9,000 plus 500 plus 90 plus 0. So according to their place values you have to write. Here 9,000. So you can write 9,000 plus 500. 500s then plus 9 tens. So 90 here you are writing. Here 9 tens plus 0. What's the place value of 0? 1. So you can write 0 ones. Next, see the place value of the digit 0 in a number is always 0. The place value of the digit in the 0. If the place value of the number is 0 means, suppose if I am writing 7608, what's the place value? That place is tens, but the place value is 0. That only they have given. The place value of the digit 0 in a number is always 0 only. So we always write 0 whatever may be its position in a number. So whatever may be its position, we have to write the place value is equal to 0 only. Suppose, listen, here 7608 I told you. Place value of 0 is, you don't write 0 tens, here you don't write 10. What's the place value of 0? 0 only. Next, 8012. What's the place value of 0 here? Here ones, tens, hundreds. You don't write 100 here. What's the place value of? Place value means what's the value of this place? 0 only. Next, 7200. What's the place value of this 0? What's the place value of this 0? Ones. So you don't write 1 here. Place value of 0 is 0 only. See, the place value of the digit 0 in a number is always 0. So we always write 0 whatever may be its position. Whatever it may be position, that is ones or tens or hundreds or thousand. Whatever its position, you have to write the place value 0 only. So next we are going to write the number. Here they have given the expanded form of the number. We are going to write the number. See, 7000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 9 they have given. So you check in thousands place what they have given? 7. Next hundreds place 4. Next tens place 5. Next ones place 9. So what's the number you got? 7459. 7459. So in thousands place 7, hundreds place 4, then tens place 5, then ones place 9. So 7459. Next 6000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 1. Now only I told you here they have given 0. In what place they have given 0? 1000, then tens place also there. What is not there? Hundreds place is not there. So I told you no, the place value of the digit 0 in a number is always 0. So we always write 0 whatever may be its position. So hundreds place they have given 0. So you write, what is the thousands place? What's the number in thousands place? 6. Next in hundreds place what they have given? 0. They didn't give any number. 0 they have given. So you write 0. Next tens place they have given 30. Tens place they have given 30. So you write 3. Next ones place what they have given? 1. Okay. So you write 1. What's the number you got? 6031. Next 1000 plus 700 plus 10. Next in thousands place what they have given? 1000. So 1 you write. Next in hundreds place what they have given? 7. Next tens place what they have given? 10. Only 10. So 1 you write. Next ones place they didn't give any number. So you write 0. 1710. So how will you write the number? See that one we have written in the number in expanded form. Here they have given the expanded form of the number. We are going to write the number. Okay. So that side they have given number. We have written in expanded form. Here in expanded form they have given. We have written the number. So 7000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 9. 7459. 6000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 1 6031. 1000 plus 700 plus 0 10 1710. So in this class we have seen place value and face value and then expanded form of the number. Place value means the position of the number at which it is placed, only place value of the number. Face value means the number itself. Suppose see 7608. What is the face value? Face value means what is the face value of the number? 8. The number itself 8. What is the face value of the number means 8 only. Next what is the face value of 6 if they are asking? What is the face value of 6? 6 only. You don't write 600. That is place value. This is face value. What is this? This is face value. Face value of the number is what is the face value of 6? 6 only. You don't write 600. That is place value. Okay. So face value and the place value of the number we have seen today, and then expanded form of the number. So you have to write the expanded form means if you know the place value you can write it in the expanded form. Then expanded form they have given and then you have to write the number. So up to this we have completed. Then next class we will continue the next exercise. Thank you children.